Hi, I'm Laura, and today I'm explaining how to use a breast pump in a simple, relaxed way. Before you begin, wash your hands and get comfortable. Emily says having water nearby helps her stay relaxed. Assemble your breast pump and make sure all the parts are clean and dry. Hannah always double checks her flange size, because the right fit makes pumping more comfortable. Place the flange over your breast, keeping your nipple centered. Turn the pump on at the lowest setting. Sophie suggests starting gently and slowly increasing suction until it feels comfortable, never painful. Pump for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until milk flow slows. You can switch sides if needed. Claire likes to gently massage her breasts while pumping to encourage milk flow. When finished, turn the pump off before removing it. Pour the milk into clean bottles and label them clearly. Rachel recommends storing milk straight away to keep it fresh. Finally, wash all pump parts with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry. With time and consistency, pumping becomes an easy, confident part of daily motherhood routines.